Hello friends, today I thought we'd talk about an herb that we all know and it's very common and we already probably have it in our kitchen. It's all about thyme. Thyme is a cousin of oregano and marjoram. It's in the mint family. It's ruled by Venus. The name thyme came from ancient Greek word thumos, which means courage. The thyme sprigs were given to warriors to carry with them for courage. And the ancient Egyptians used to embalm their dead in thyme leaves. Thyme is so antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal. It's extremely nourishing. And we all know it as an excellent cooking herb. All cultures, Italian, Spanish, French, cook with thyme. It's a major ingredient in herbes de Provence. Also, it's the Italian blend, always have thyme in it. But consumed as a simple tea, thyme can be extremely helpful as well. I have probably suggested thyme 1 million or at least 50 million times to people, because what does it not address? Thyme would address stomach upset. It would address a simple cold or flu or a virus. It is extremely antiviral. It is extremely delicious as well. Thyme, lemon, and honey is my favorite go-to. It's easy to make because thyme's essential oils are the active constituent. You don't really have to steep it as an infusion. A 5-minute tea is wonderfully medicinal. And externally, you can use thyme as a wash for cuts and scrapes, for deep wounds. I actually even make a thyme antiseptic wash using cheap rubbing alcohol and steeping thyme leaves in it for a couple of weeks. You can make a mouthwash out of thyme too, using thyme tincture. You can make a facial toner using thyme. You can make vinegar using thyme. It's extremely delicious and nourishing as well. So there you have it. I mean, what does thyme not address? Thyme is a very common herb. Everybody has it in their kitchen cabinet. And when I get phone calls from people who are unable to leave their house, the first thing I will always tell them is, have you any thyme? Because if you do, you have excellent medicine right there. Thank you.